Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a video on my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a bit special because we're not talking about e-commerce, but we're talking about productivity. What I do, what I'm going to start doing even more to become more productive throughout the day. So if you guys didn't know, I just came back from New York. Well, if you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should be, at SplashmanPB, you guys would know that I just came back from New York. I just delivered like a dope speech at my mentor's event, King Keto or Brandon Carter, Basis, Connor Murphy, Brandon, all these other cool people. Miguel, Sales Funnel God, can't forget Sales Funnel God. We all spoke there. New York, say what up? Yeah! And the one thing that I learned the most was just staying productive, and not only that, just being around all these people. I got some tips and tricks on how I can be more effective and more productive throughout my day and just be more effective in my business and just create more results, because at the end of the day, man, results is what matters, right? So the process, in my opinion, the process doesn't matter. People say care about the process or whatever. I don't really think it matters. I think the only thing that matters in life is results. So we're gonna learn how I get these results, all right? So let's get started with this video. So first of all, wake up early. I haven't been the most consistent with this, but hey, I still try to wake up early because what I wanna do is get my most important task or some of the tasks that I don't like done in the morning. For example, for me, that's basketball, all right? I play basketball, work out, and I also meditate because I don't really like doing that much. Plus, I'm also reading or listening to an audiobook because, knowledge, right? I really want to learn a lot. Just having this morning routine just changes a lot of things in your life. For example, man, like just having a morning routine, it makes me productive throughout the whole day because it's like a daily habit that, I don't know, there's something about it. Maybe someone knows why. I don't really know, but just having a clear morning routine for me has just been a game changer, right? And I just get more done throughout the day, and I'm just more productive when I do follow my morning routine versus when I don't. It might also be because I get some of the hardest tasks done in the morning, so like the rest of the day it's not really a big deal, or the rest of the day I'm just doing some other tasks as well, and I already did some tasks, so that's like momentum, right? So momentum's building up, and I just get through my day easier. All right, the second thing I do to be more effective is honestly throw my fucking phone away. This phone makes me money, right? It makes me a lot of money, but it's also sometimes a big distraction. Especially now, man. You go anywhere. I'm looking outside right now from my house, right? I'm looking right now. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 people on their phone. And there's probably more people on their phone. And there's a reason for that. Everyone's on their phone. It's such a big distraction. And that will really get in your way of you doing work, especially if you're always on Instagram like me. See, I make money on Instagram, but that kind of can be an excuse sometimes for me to just go on my phone, which is not a good thing. But overall, just don't get distracted by your phone that much, right? Just try to do your shit and not get distracted by your phone while you're doing your shit. And honestly, man, avoid distraction at all costs, bro. Just don't fucking do. I throw my phone away sometimes. I don't use it. Throw your phone away. Turn off your notifications. A lot of people don't do that, but turn off your notifications, because your notifications, when it blinks, bro, that shit's gonna get to you, right? And that shit's just gonna fuck you up. You might be going into a flow state, but that notification or that whatever, might just fuck you up overall. What I'm just trying to say is, bro, just get rid of your phone. All right, the third tip is really have a schedule. What I use for my schedule is Google Calendar. I schedule certain tasks throughout the day. So gym, my classes, what time I'm gonna do homework, what time I'm gonna do this, that, or whatever. Having that, man, after this weekend, what I learned is that if you don't schedule time for some of your shit, you don't want to be doing random work in your business, man. You want to schedule shit that you're gonna have to do, whether it be prospecting, marketing, making content, right? You want to be really just scheduling that shit, because otherwise you'll be doing random work, and random actions get random results. Honestly, I'm gonna start doing that shit every day, every night before the day starts. I'm gonna make sure that I schedule everything, and not only that, it just makes your life a little more productive. It's more clear. You know what you're gonna do throughout the day, and not only that, you'll get more done just because you schedule to do it. Do I follow my calendar every day? No. But it's just something that's good to have there, and it's just a good benchmark of what work that I have to do or what work that I need to do, right? Man, there's so much more shit you can do. You can do the Pomodoro technique. You can do, get out of your house, go to a lounge. I go to my lounge area sometimes to work. You can do so many more things, man. But the main things are get rid of your phone, have a clear morning routine, and overall, man, just schedule your whole fucking life, all right? That's one of the best ways you can actually really just be more productive in your life. And not only that, you will actually get results because you know when you're gonna do your shit and you're not distracted, right? Random actions equals random results, so remember that. All right, man, I'm gonna peace out. I'm actually hosting a barbecue right now for some of my entrepreneur friends. You know, hey, next time if you're in Toronto and you're an entrepreneur, just hit me up. You're invited. But overall, guys, have a great day. I'm out. Peace out from Toronto. Peace.